The shipping line intimate to the importers that after custom clearance, container will available at these locations. Okay, so this is the CFS, Gateway District Park CFS. Okay, and after custom clearance, this container will available here. So after shipment get out of charge, importers, transporter can pick up this cargo from here. Okay. So namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in the session we will understand cargo arrival notice. Okay. So you can see on the screen, this is the exporter and this is the importer. Okay. So this container is coming from the Japan to Gurgaon. Okay. So from Japan to India. Okay. So in this case, when shipment is departure from the Japan, shipping line instruct and give us the cargo arrival notice. So here we are the importer. Okay. And we will get shipments as per given date. Okay. So this cargo arrival notice is mentioned here. When this container are reached at the seaport, before seaport, this shipment information is received through the shipping line. Okay, so what information? This is the CAN, cargo arrival notice, which is sent to the registered email ID of importers that these containers will arrival at the seaport on this date. Okay, so you can see on the screen. Okay, this is the departure date from the origin, and this date the shipment is issue date. Okay, so as per mentioned date, the container will reach at the port of India, which is Pipavav. Okay, so once the container reach at the Indian port, importer need to be arrange the custom clearance house agent and transportation. Okay, the main thing is that the shipment once berthed at the seaport, shipping line deliver this shipment to the shipping line yard or CFS. Okay, if shipping line have its own yard, then the container will reach at that particular location. So we can check out the cargo arrival notice that which location is mentioned. If shipping line have its own yard, okay, own shipping line yard or CFS, then this shipping line intimate to pick up this cargo from this location. Okay, if not, just like this container is coming at the ICD Gadi port. Okay, so this shipping line not have a CFS in this location. So what shipping line do? Shipping line appoint any CFS which is available at this location. So here this is a district park CFS. It does not belong to the shipping line. Okay, so this container is delivered at this location. Okay, then custom clearance process will be done through the government officer. So all the documentation and all the procedure need to be complete. Okay, so we need to understand there are some charges we need to pay at the time of this cargo pick up from this location, and after container unloading, then again this container need to hand over this location. So this gateway park will charge of container unloading and loading and unloading. Okay, if this CFS belong to shipping line, in such case shipping line cannot charge for the container unloading and loading, but this is belong to not this respective shipping line. So importer need to pay the charges of the container unloading and loading. Okay, for example, the cargo is coming from the Mundra port to ICD. Okay, so once shipment is berthed on the Mundra port, this shipment will come to the railway and reach at the ICD nearest ICD from the importer factory. Okay, so this container will unloaded from the railway. Okay, and then after that, as per nominated by the shipping line CFS, this container will unloaded at particular location which is nominated by the shipping line. Okay, so here the shipping line. Okay, for example, this is the Costco line. Okay, so Costco line not have any CFS at this ICD Gadi. So what will they do? This cargo will go to the importer nominate CFS. Okay, this is the importer nominate CFS. So there are some charges which are not much for this importer because the cargo, the shipment and the contract is done through the importer. Okay, but in case of shipping line, this may be different. Okay, cargo definitely shipping line unloaded in their its own CFS. Okay, so now the shipment is reached at this location. Okay, and as the government procedure, the shipment is clearance. Okay, and the custom duty need to pay it by the importer. Okay, then after custom clearance payment and duty payment, the shipping line due charges and other expenses need to be paid, just like a delivery order charges plus terminal handling charges plus ISC, which is the Mundra to ICD, and other expenses which belong to shipment, like a container clearing or container unloading or all those things. This all charge need to be paid at this pickup container from this ICD. Okay, this CFS. Okay, until once we pay the shipping line charges, then we can take the container. Also, once we pay the custom duty, then we pick this cargo from this location. Okay, so main thing is need to understand what is actually procedures, how shipping line nominate the CFS. It may be its own or third party. So here is third party CFS, which is not to shipping line. Okay, and after that, these containers will go to the importer factory. Okay, importer factory. So what is the procedure? Once these containers get out of charge from these locations, as per this cargo arrival notice, the CHA will intimate to the transporter to pick this cargo from this location. Before this, the EV bill need to generate. Okay, so as per EV bill and all detail mentioned in the EV bill, shipment move from this gateway district park to this importer factory. Okay, so guys, in this session we have tried to understand what is the actual procedures when shipment unloaded from the Mundras or any seaport. Okay, then containers come through the nearest ICDs from importer factory. Okay, so what is the procedure? The procedure we have understand that after shipment unloaded from the ship, this container move through the railway which is nominated by the shipping line. Okay, and the container unloaded from the railway to the nominate CFS by the shipping line. Okay, if the shipping line have its own CFS, then container will unloaded in that. Otherwise, shipping line use the third party CFS. Okay, so at this stage, importer need to pay all charges like a custom duty payments, delivery order charges of the shipping line, in which terminal handling charges, inland haulage charges, shipping line other charges. Okay, so in this way, the shipment will go to the importer factory. So guys, in this session we have understand what is the importance of the cargo arrival notice. So cargo arrival notice is the document in which shipping line intimate to the importer that after custom clearance, this container will available at this location, and importer need to be arrange the transportation to pick up this cargo from the given CFS address by the shipping line. Okay, so just thank you for watching this session. Have a nice day.